Hi guys, so I'm finally gonna do this video for you guys. I'm gonna finally dye my eyebrows. So I've been watching YouTube videos on this for a while now. This is actually the dollar store brand. Yeah, we're gonna get started on this because if I stop, I'm never gonna do this, and I want to try it to see if it works. Instead of buying the $8 version, I'm gonna save y'all money using the dollar store brand. Read the instructions. It says specially formed for facial hair only, so get the one with the beard, like the little beard on it and everything. Got in brown because if I get in black, I'm gonna look like a Chewbacca. Good. And you only have to use this for only 5 minutes, but I'm gonna leave it on for 10 because that's what everyone else does. So I'm not gonna read the instructions because literally it's all you do is you get your little applicator with your little gloves. It comes with gloves, but I don't need any gloves because I'm not touching it with my hands. I'm gonna use a brush. And then it comes with the developer, and then it comes with the colorant. It comes with these things right here. And then it comes with a mixer brush, whatever. So right now I'm gonna nair my eyebrows so everything's like put in place. I'm just gonna get the nair. This is the oil, the softening baby oil. I usually get the coconut version because oleo and baby oil, they smell weird to me, but the coconut just smells really, I don't know, it just smells better. A compact mirror. And then I got a little brush. Okay, hold on. You gotta get all this stuff out. So I'm done. Now I'm just gonna wipe this off. Y'all see this? Like, I don't know if y'all see it. Like, look how good I did. Even though there was no hair, but it's whatever, you know. Get started on the application process, and literally there isn't really any instructions. All you have to do is mix with the tray, and then mix with that, and then I'm gonna get my eyebrow brush that I use, my angle brush, and then just draw along. So I got my angle brush. It's like this, and then it has a little spoolie at the end. So now what I usually do before I do my eyebrows, I brush them out from the front. Like, I brush them out like this. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then I go swiftly over like that, so it looks like that. Like, it look. So basically when I dip the product in, I'm just gonna really gently go like that and just kind of fill it in, or I'm just gonna do this part and then do that part later, but right now we're just gonna brush that out. Okay. I know y'all been waiting for this. Okay, this is the developer and the colorant. I think it doesn't matter which one you do first because yeah, okay. So this is the colorant. I'm gonna just squirt that just a little bit. Well, let me just be extra. Okay, you see that much? Yeah. So this is the developer. It literally looks like this. It looks like, why does it look like that? I'm starting to regret this low-key, but hopefully, since I seen only one person on YouTube got the dollar store version and actually did it on their eyebrows, hopefully it works well. So I'm just gonna mix them. It's looking like this. Yeah, this looks like enough goofiness. I'm gonna put the timer on for 10 minutes because it says leave it for 10 minutes. So I restarted. Right now it is, I reapplied some more because I felt like it wasn't enough to make my eyebrows a little darker. They said keep applying more if you feel like it doesn't get any darker than this. And right now it's just looking like this. It's processing. and it's almost 3 minutes on the clock, but I'm gonna set it back for extra. But it's almost done. Like, this part's looking good. Like, you see that? Okay. But this front part here, I'm kind of worried about. Okay. I'm done here. Looks good, but it doesn't. It's because I put too much in the front and then I messed up with the line in the back. But other than that, it's not a bad product. A little concealer and clean the front a little bit, because all you have to do is use water. Now I'm gonna get my eyebrow products and then actually fill my brows, but this is what it currently looks like. I'll see you. It doesn't look bad, but I'm gonna get my eyebrow products. I'm gonna do concealer first. I know they look a little different, but I'm trying my best to make them look a little even. I know it's gonna take me a long time to edit this. Because I don't want to put any more tint than I already have on my eyebrows. NYX Tint Brow. This actually tints your eyebrows. Okay, so I'm basically done. So this is what I came out with. I don't know if y'all can really see that, but it's not bad. It's not a bad product. I'm gonna give this like a 9. I'm gonna give this a 7 for a dollar store product. It's a pretty nice product. I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, I do rate this an 8 out of 10. So this is from the dollar store. It looks just like this. Just like this. It says color for him, mustache, beard, and sideburns. And it says brown, and you can use it up to, I had to do it extra like 20 minutes, and this is what I came out with. And I didn't put that much brow stuff, so it looks like this. So I hope you guys like this video. If you want me to do more experiments on like stuff like this, I will, because I'm always doing weird stuff. Bye guys.